but not least, this giant box. So, oh my. There is, okay, so this is from, okay, now that I see what's in here, because I was like, what in the world is this? But now that I'm looking in it, now I know what it is. It is from Cruelladevilpins, I think it is. I'm going to totally tag her down below, but she was doing an op and I won it. So this is all the items that I got from the op. So to start off, I have a Princess Tech sticker, and this one is the Aladdin bundle. So there's 4 sheets included. I don't know if you can tell. Ooh, there. Okay, so it's got like Abu, Genie, Aladdin, Jasmine. We've got the Magic Carpet, Raja. There's so many of these. So there's that. So you can put it on your cell phone, your laptop, your iPad, your tablet, your e-reader, whatever you got. The next one, this one's another tech sticker, and this one is the Dumbo set. So there's that one. It's got like the Dumbo popcorn. It's got some nuts, the circus scene, and oh my gosh, you guys, I don't even know. Like, look at that. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so there's a cute little mud mask in here. I like to put them in Ziplocs in case they kind of came out of each other. Ooh! You guys, candy galore. We've got some lollipops, some high chews, blow pops, airheads, all kinds of candy in that guy. Oh my Lanta. Woo-wee. Okay. You guys, this box is crazy. Okay, so in the op, I also got 2 DVDs in them. And the ones that I got was Peter Pan, and we've got Bambi. So we have these 2 DVDs. So there's that. I'm trying to like, I don't even know where to start. There's so much. Okay, so we have this iron-on. I don't remember their names. I know they're from Toy Story 4, and these were the characters at the fair. I don't remember their names. So these are iron-ons. Super cute. We have ourselves a lanyard, and it's blue with the stars, and then we've got like, who's on here? Donald, Minnie, Mickey, and Goofy in their red, white, and blue gear. Super cute. So we've got a new lanyard. I'll even put it on. Oh, there. So the next thing I see is this rainbow patch, and it's got Stitch on it. Super cute. This is an iron-on as well. And then, oh, so they got a keychain. Oh, dang, this is a hefty keychain. It's a Star Wars. Jeez, this one's pretty thick. This is a Star Wars keychain. So we've got that. Okay, got another little Ziploc here. Let's see. Ooh. So we've got some stickers. We've got some cars, Star Wars. Let's see what else we got. I'm trying to look at all these little guys here. There's another keychain, and this one is the cats. I only know Marie. Oh, the Aristocats floral key. There. So there's the keychain. And then we've got a few like stickers. We've got some Star Wars, more. Oh my goodness, I'm totally gonna. Oh, I love these, you guys. Oh, look, it's a heart and it says Pride. Oh man, I wish I would have opened this before this weekend. This was actually Pride weekend for us in Seattle. But she put these in here for me. Oh, that's so cool, so amazing. She's the best. Okay, so I think that's all the stuff that's not pins. Alright, so this is the Best Friends enamel pin set, and this one says I love you, and then it says I do. It's Princess Leia. Oh man, this is not gonna turn. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys because it's kind of upside down, but I can't really flip it, so that's what that looks like. Next guy. Ooh, we got another storm. Is it a stormtrooper? Yeah, it is a stormtrooper. Ah. Let's put these baggings on here before it falls. Knowing me, knowing my luck. There's that guy. It's a really big jumbo, and this one moves so you can you can stand them up. So there's that. Next really jumbo pin. Oh, my Windows of Magic. I actually won this from her op as another op, actually. Where did scissors go? Okay. Alrighty. And we have Hercules windows. Super pretty. I'm actually going to collect all of the Windows of Evil and Windows of Magic. So we've got Hercules there. Alrighty, first thing of pins. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go through all of the pins that I have in the box. And we're just going to go through them fairly quickly because we have so many. Alright, a bunch of these are actually from Star Wars. So there are a whole bunch of Tsum Tsums. I don't know if you guys can see them. I don't want them to drop. There's no backings on these. So there's that. Oh, these ones are not. Oh, we have a mini Mike Wazowski. We've got Scar, Hercules. I think this one, I don't know where this guy's from, but we've got these pins here. There's that. Let's see. I'm going to try to put this down here. The next one, we've got Pooh and Hey Hey. We've got Jessica Rabbit. We've got Stitch. So we've got Jessica Rabbit here. We've got Pooh and Hey Hey. We've got Stitch with the bra on his head. Okay, watch out. Okay. My dog was not having it. Okay, the next set we've got, I keep getting these. The Lion King Tsum Tsum stack. And this is the one that it moves. So there's that guy. We've got Carl and Ellie and the mailbox moves. And then we have this guy. I'm not sure where he's from. Actually, I have no idea where he's from. But we've got this guy. If you guys know where he's from, please comment below, because I have no idea. We've got another stormtrooper. This guy's got a different helmet design. There's that one. And then, oh, we've got some more Star Wars Tsum Tsums. I'm going to try to see if I can hold these up without them falling. So there you go. Got these. And then we have some Best Friends sets. I'm trying to open these up for you guys. We have Mike Wazowski and Sully. We've got, is it Shock? Oh my gosh, I don't even know. So we have Mike Wazowski and Sully in this guy, in this pin. Oh, Lock, Shock, and Barrel. There you go. From Nightmare Before Christmas. We've got that one. We have Genie and Aladdin. And we've got Timon and Pumbaa. There's that. Okay, in the next set, some more Star Wars pins. Just gonna, okay, they're all falling out here. So we've got this guy. I have no idea who they are. I'm not gonna lie. Just gonna go through them as quickly as I can. Super cute. We've got another Star Wars one. Ooh, I like the color on this. So there's that guy. If you guys can see the color. There. Okay. Oh, we've got some more helmets. The Stormtrooper helmets that have different designs. I think these all have different names to them, but I'm not sure. So there's that guy with the flames. We have some of the symbols. Got this one. That one. Got another Stormtrooper head. Helmets, the different colors on them. Alright, this guy. Okay, so these are the pets. Are these Hidden Mickeys? No. I think these are the pets. I know for sure. Do you guys collect these ones? I don't really collect these, but they're super cute though. They'll probably be part of my traders. These are all, again, like I won these all from an op. Her ops are amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm always on her ops. I feel like, ooh. Okay, so we've got another I Love You, I Know with the Han Solo and the Princess Leia. I'm gonna show you guys. So there's those two together. And then we've got Yoda. And then we've got the two robots. There's that guy. And that one's actually a really cool pin. Here's that one. And then we've got some more Simpsons. You guys can see her. Okay. We've got this one. And Princess Leia. It's already falling out. Alright, so we've got Cruella. There's Cruella. We have, Lilo and Stitch, best friend duo. We have Pinocchio and, oh my gosh. What is his name? Geppetto? Is it Geppetto? Or is that Pinocchio's dad? What was his name? Do you guys know? Jeez. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have Mickey and Pluto. And then we have Mulan, Mushu. Alright, we have a few more. Got a bit more actually. Star Wars pins. They're the Tsum Tsums. There's that guy. We've got this one. There's this guy. Oh, Chewbacca. Got a few more Tsum Tsums. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. There's that one. I actually dressed up as this one Halloween when I was younger, actually. Okay, got this one. I'm not sure what this is, actually. Got that pin. Oh, we've got another Stormtrooper with a different helmet design. So there's that one. Okay. Oh, we've got Prince Philip, Thumper, and Bambi. And then we have the cousins. I don't actually know what their names are. Cousins. And then these are some more Star Wars. Ooh, this one's actually nice. There's that guy. Got another helmet. This one is actually, oh, it moves. That's cool. So his little wings. And then the last but not least, we have, oh, this one flew out. I got the wizard. We have Ariel and Flounder. I have no idea who these two are. And then Pooh and Piglet. So there's that. Thank you guys again for watching. Hopefully you guys made it all the way to the end. But thank you again for watching all of my unboxing and all of the pin mail that I've gotten. If you guys enjoy this video, please like and also don't forget to subscribe. That way you guys can see all of my new pin mails and all of my Disney videos. Please comment below your favorite pin that you've seen this entire this entire unboxing. And again, thank you guys for watching.